Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to make your business portfolio on Facebook. So if you have a Facebook page and you want to promote it and make a business portfolio, add admins and analyze and manage everything about these pages, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you need to actually choose your Facebook page and log in through it. After that you need from the left sidebar, you need to actually scroll down till you see Meta Business Suite. You need to enter it. So from here you can actually click on the drop down menu and click on create a business portfolio. From here you can actually fill all of your information, your name, last name, the business portfolio name, and the business email. So now after you fill all of your information, your business portfolio will be done. So you can click on the drop down menu again and you will see all of your business portfolios. You can actually click on the business settings from here. And now it will take you to the business portfolios manager as you from here. So you can now add or invite people to be admins to your dashboard. So you can control who manages what from this screen. You can just click on here to invite more people to manage your assets on this Facebook pages. So after you finish from here, you can see all of the other stuff from here. You can click on add accounts so you can promote your pages. You can click on pages to add more pages from here, so you can just create new pages or add an existing Facebook page. Also, there will be business assets groups as you from here. You can from here add a group. Also, you can add Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, or other apps to be linked with your business portfolio. So that's actually how you make a business portfolio through Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.